Hi, I'm Kirk Evans, president of U.S. LawShield. We're here today to talk about some fairly dramatic changes to the law in Louisiana. So the governor signed into law SB 1, or Act 1 as it's called, authorizing permitless carry in the state of Louisiana. So what does that mean? Under the new law, folks will be allowed to carry a firearm in public without having to first get a permit issued by the state of Louisiana. What does that mean right now? Actually, right now, that means absolutely nothing. The new law does not go into effect until July 4th, 2024. So if you've seen this on TV or the news, you hear permitless carries now signed into law. Do not go running around in public with a firearm unless you have a permit until at least July 4th, 2024. So then the trouble is this new law is sometimes called a constitutional carry. And you get the impression that I can carry pursuant to the Constitution, which means anybody can carry, they can carry wherever they want, they can do whatever they want with a gun because the Constitution. Simply not the case. The new law does not change whatsoever the extensive list of folks who are not authorized to carry a firearm under state and federal law. So before you even think about going out into public after the 4th of July with a firearm in Louisiana, make sure you research the law and know who can and cannot possess a firearm under Louisiana law. Second, there is a gigantic list of prohibited places under Louisiana law. So again, you hear the word constitutional carry, you think now I can carry wherever I want pursuant to the Constitution. Simply not the case. The prohibited places in Louisiana under state law have not changed whatsoever. They are extensive. Make sure you know the law and research those places before you even think about going out in public with the firearm. Finally, there are extensive benefits to keeping, maintaining, or getting a permit under Louisiana law. So first is reciprocity. If you want to go to another state that does not have permitless carry, you need to have a permit under their law. So if, for instance, you decide to go to North Carolina where they require permits and you are carrying under constitutional carry, you're going to be a load of trouble over there in North Carolina. So finally, there's some significant benefits to keeping, maintaining, or getting your permit under Louisiana law, the first of which is reciprocity. If you wish to visit a state that still requires you to have a permit to carry in public, you can't just go there and say, I'm going to carry constitutional carry under Louisiana law. No, that state requires you to have a permit. And if you don't, you're going to be in violation of the law and could find yourself in serious trouble. Second is the Gun-Free School Zones Act. So under federal law, if you carry within 1,000 feet of a school, you must have a permit issued by the same state as that school zone. So if you are constitutionally carrying with no permit in Louisiana and you go within 1,000 feet of school, you're going to be in violation of the Federal Gun-Free School Zones Act. Third, you actually get to bypass the NICS check. If you have a permit in Louisiana and you want to go buy a gun, that permit qualifies you to skip the NICS background check when you go purchase that firearm. So it can help you sort of expedite things, kind of skip the line when you go purchase a firearm. As a U.S. LawShield member, if you have any questions about these matters, the new bill, if you don't have a permit, you're thinking about carrying around in Louisiana, or if you do have a permit, you want to know, should I renew it or should I keep the permit? Feel free to call into U.S. LawShield, ask to speak to the independent program attorney in Louisiana, and they can walk you through any questions you might have on this subject at no additional cost to you. Thank you, and we appreciate you watching this video.